Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this here remote control cable converter. It weighs 1.885 pounds at 5 cents a pound. That's 9 cents for this here converter. We're going to take it apart and see if we can get anything else better, make it worth more. Stay tuned and let's get it done. Get this here converter box tore apart. Nuts on the end of those. Getting a little bit of wind. There's what's inside of a converter box. Not a whole lot. Get this thing tore apart and see what we got. It don't look like much in it, so. See if this is brass. That is brass. low grade board. Low grade power board. Just plastic junk. Nice big IC chip and a one of these. Crystal oscillator. Other than that, not much of anything. It's another low grade board. We're going to take the IC chip off. It won't weigh nothing, but it will add up eventually. Get all that wire off. Let's open this up and see what's in it. I know there's nothing probably in this, but let's see. Find out. Like I figured, just some copper pieces. Nothing really full width. We'll take the other side off. Maybe we'll luck out and there'll be a chip on there and I can take it off. Nope. Just junk. Low grade board. I'll get this stuff cleaned up and then we'll come back and we'll see what we got. Which I figure is not much, but I had to see. Take it apart to see, right? Okay, here we go. We're back in the metal scrap that we got right here at 0.89 pounds. 5 cents a pound, we get 4 cents out of that little bit of scrap. That scrap shreds steel. The insulated copper wire at 0.18 pounds at 30 cents a pound, that is 6 cents for the insulated copper wire. For the clean brass at $1.80 a pound, at 0.01 pounds, we get 2 cents out of that little bit of brass, clean brass. And the winner, which is our low grade board, at 50 cents a pound, we got 0.68 pounds. That is 34 cents we get out of them low grade boards. And I did get an IC chip, which I figure it won't add up, so we'll see. 11.25 a pound. That did add up. Just that one IC is 11 cents. 11 cents for that one IC right there. So, like I said before, they eventually add up. And that was enough to weigh up. So, and then I got this here crystal oscillator. But that was it out of that converter box. Not a whole lot in them. Didn't make nothing. Probably been best just to sold it as shred, but now you know. So please like, share, and subscribe, and always a thumbs up is great, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.